प्यारे बच्चों, आपको क्लाइमेट लेसन 4 जाकर फिल्म पढ़ा रहा था। क्लाइमेटिक कंट्रोल्स जो लिखा हुआ है, देखिए आपका सर ने पहला क्वेश्चन लिखाया है कंट्रोल वाला, उसमें से फैक्टर शब्द जुड़ा होना चाहिए, फैक्टर आर एलिमेंट्स। तो इसमें ध्यान दें, लिखा देयर आर फॉलोइंग 6 फैक्टर टू कंट्रोल द क्लाइमेट ऑफ द एन एरिया। फर्स्ट है लैटिट्यूड, अल्टीट्यूड, थर्ड है प्रेशर एंड सिस्टम ऑफ विंड, फोर्थ डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी, ओशियन करेंट, रिलीफ। ये आपके फैक्टर्स टू कंट्रोल द क्लाइमेट हैं। इनके बारे में हम कल आपको बोर्ड में अच्छी तरह से समझाएंगे। अभी हम बता रहे हैं, फिर भी बोर्ड में कल फिर ध्यान देंगे। लैटिट्यूड आपको हमने ग्लोब बनाकर बताया था। लॉन्गिट्यूड, लैटिट्यूड क्या होते हैं? लैटिट्यूड जो समतल आपके लाइन होती हैं अर्थ पर, जो वैज्ञानिकों ने माना है, उनके आधार पर हमारा कैसे क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल होता है यहाँ पर बताया गया है, वो ध्यान से देखें। कहते हैं एन इमेजिनरी लाइन drawn on the globe west to east is called latitude। कहते हैं इमेजिनरी, काल्पनिक है ये रेखाएं, तो वेस्ट टू ईस्ट जो बनाई गई हैं। तो द अर्थ इज फ्लैट एंड ओवल विद द रिजल्ट दैट द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिसीव वेरियस अकॉर्डिंग टू द लैटिट्यूड। Consequently, temperature from the equator towards the poles decrease. Now, altitude, with the increased height from the sea level, the atmospheric density decrease, and with it, the temperature also decrease. This is the reason that the hills are cooler even during the summer. Now, the pressure and the system of wind. The pressure and system of wind at a place depend upon the latitude and height of the place. The factor affect the temperature and distribution of rainfall. Distance from the sea. The sea has a moderating effect on the climate. With the increasing distance from the sea, this effect decreases and the people start experience extreme weather. This is called continental condition. In this condition, weather is extremely hot in summer and extremely cold in winter. Now see, ocean current. The ocean current blowing from the sea towards coastal areas affect the climate of those areas. For example, any coastal areas where hot or cold ocean current blow and the direction of the wind is towards the ocean, the area becomes accordingly hot or cold. Relief. This is also determining factor of the relief. High mountain act as barriers for the cold or hot winds. High mountains can check the rain-bearing winds and thus cause rain to fall. The leeward mountains are comparatively dry. Now you see factors affecting Indian climate. Latitude, altitude, pressure, winds, ये ध्यान दें। तो climate of India is affected by monsoon winds. It depends on the monsoon winds. Therefore, the Indian climate is known as monsoon climate. climate is affected by various factors. Following are the factors that affect it. Latitude में देखें कैसे. India is located between 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude and 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude to the north of the equator. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost through the center of the country, so the northern part of the country lies in the subtropical region and the southern part in the tropical region. Due to this tropical location, the temperature in the southern part is comparatively higher than the northern part. Altitude. To the north of the India lies Himalayan mountain. Its average altitude is about 6,000 meters. The coastal area of the India is also vast, where the average height is 30 meters. The Himalayas shake the cold winds coming from the Central Asia from the entering the India subcontinent. It is due to these mountains that this region is less cold than the Central Asia. Pressure and winds. India is located in the subtropical region of the high wind pressure. Due to these surface and seasonal winds, India has various kinds of season and distribution of rainfall also vary. The trade winds under the control force are deflected toward the right, advance toward the low pressure area of the equator. Generally, these trade winds carry very little moisture with them because their origin and flow with the occur in the terrestrial part of the land. Therefore, these winds cause little or no rainfall. In the season of the frost, there is high pressure in the north of the Himalaya. The cool, dry winds here blow over the low pressure area of these. In the summer, low pressure area is created over the inner Asia and the northeast India. As a result of its direction of the wind is completely changed. In this season, the Indian Ocean is in the condition of high pressure, blowing southeast, and winds are here cross the equator and turn high right towards the low pressure area over the Indian subcontinent. They are known as the southwest monsoon winds. The influence of the Indian Ocean. As India is located the north of the Indian Ocean, the monsoon winds caused by high pressure over the Indian Ocean blow in the summer. These winds cause heavy rainfall in the Tamil Nadu and the region of Bay of Bengal in winter. Cyclonic disturbance cause rain the Bay of Bengal in summer. Influence of the distance from the sea. In the coastal areas of Indian climate is moderate. Most of the part of the southern part is close to the sea. So these regions experience moderate heat or cold in summer and winter season respectively. In contrast to this, the region away from the sea are extremely hot or cold in the respective region. Influence of the surface of the land. The surface of the land also great influence on the Indian climate. The Western Ghat and Assam are on the slope in front of the mountain. These regions receive much rainfall, but the southern plateau, being in the rain shadow area, remains dry. As the Aravalli Hills are parallel to monsoon winds, they cannot check them. With the result, the Rajasthan has less rainfall. In this way, the land surface play an important role in matters of temperature and control of air and the rainfall. Now cyclone. The cyclone is an important factor influencing the Indian climate. These cyclones cause rain in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh in winter. In the months between the April and October, cyclones rise heavily in Bay of Bengal and cause rain. Now jet stream, see the high altitude air current blowing over 25 degree north latitude at the high speed are called jet stream. The jet stream influence the Indian weather cycle very much. Probably these very jet streams are responsible for weather explosion. The jet stream compel the clouds to rain. The jet stream are high altitude above 1200 meters. Western winds in troposphere located in narrow belt. They are also called western jet stream. El Nino effect. El Nino is a seasonal phenomenon event that affect the whole earth. The monsoon climate of India is also affected by this event. This event causes warm current of the Peru coast of the eastern Pacific Ocean, which affect the Indian Ocean. It causes high air pressure in the Indian subcontinent, which is responsible for extreme rainfall and famine. द इंडियन मानसून के बारे में कल पढ़ाएंगे।